my channel. It's your friendly neighborhood girlfriend, Liz, and if you're new here, then welcome, and if you're not, then welcome on back. Okay, so for today, I have another product review. I will be reviewing the Soultanicals Fro Despair Vitamin Hair Repair Deep Conditioner. Looks like this. Look at that. Do you see it? Do you see it? My hair is already freshly washed and cleansed and ready for this deep conditioner, so we're going to jump right on in. My hair has dried out a little bit, so I'm going to re-wet it with some water. Okay, so right off the bat, it smells really, really good. It smells like a greenery. It smells like a nice vegetable smoothie or just a nice smoothie in general. I love the texture of it. It's pretty thick. I have used this deep conditioner before and I really like it. So my hair is now wet, so we're gonna start with the first section. Apply it. Hey, I wanted to come on and tell you guys some of the great ingredients that's included in this deep conditioner. It has water, horsetail, rosemary and sage, biotin, wheatgrass, barley grass, oatgrass, olive oil, broccoli seed oil, brown rice protein, provitamin B5, and vitamin E. This doesn't contain any artificial colors, no GMOs, and it's vegan. Alright, so I've applied all of the deep conditioner throughout my hair, twisted it up in these plaits, and I'm gonna go in with my thermal hot head. Use like this much, so I still have a good bit to go. I can get about 4 or 5 more uses out of this. So I wasn't able to do it for 30 minutes. I ended up leaving this mask on overnight. But y'all, oh my gosh, this felt so good in my hair. Like, I don't think you guys can understand. I need you guys to go and get this. This ain't no paid promotion or none of that. Like, go get this deep conditioner because my hair was so soft. It had no tangles. It felt moisturized. I didn't automatically put a leave-in in my hair, and my hair was fine. Like, this has made it to the Holy Grail list. Oh my gosh. But thank you guys for watching. Please stay tuned for the next video. Bye.